Today we're going to show you how to clean your dishwasher. We've got these Dishwasher Cleaner tabs, and they're from the brand Active here. And it says it cleans, deodorizes, freshens, and protects. And when you buy this, it's a 1-year supply here. So what you want to do first is you want to remove all the dishes from the dishwasher. And now the reason I'm leaving in these trays instead of just taking these out is hopefully the cleaner is going to clean the actual trays off too. So that's why I'm leaving those and leaving the silverware tray as well. You open it up. This is what they look like here. It says use twice a month for best results. And they come in little packets like this here. And you just go ahead and open these up. They almost look like the Finish little dishwasher tabs here. They look like that. And what I'll do is I'll show you the back here. It comes with 24 tablets, a 1-year supply. Here's what the back looks like if you want to pause it and read the directions. But basically, you just want to make sure this is empty. There's no dishes in here. And it says to put one in the detergent dispenser. So I put one tablet down here just in the detergent dispenser. I'll close that up. And since I opened 2 of them, see my dishwasher, it's not too dirty. I mean, it's got some stuff on the door here. We'll take a look at it afterwards. When you're doing this, the second one, you want to go ahead and put it at the bottom of the dishwasher, it says, if your dishwasher is really dirty. But you know, we've got some stuff in here. When you're doing this, you can just go ahead and take this out, clean this off. It's actually pretty dirty. And you can clean the filter too here while you're doing this. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just run this here. We got 2 of them in, and it says to run them on a normal mode. So we'll go ahead and lock this. So it's just going to be normal mode, and that's it. We'll go ahead and start it, and we'll come back. All right, so it looks like it's all done. It says it's clean, so we'll open up the dishwasher here. And it looks pretty clean. I mean, I'm sure it'll be clean after you just run it with water too, but the smell, it smells pretty good. There's not like a certain smell, but you can see these stains are gone that were on here. There are some stains on the bottom that were gone. And I think it is important to leave the trays in as well, just to kind of clean off the trays, even though you may be tempted just to pull them out with all the dishes on them. But this looks a lot better. And again, just the smell is the main thing that, you know, doesn't kind of smell musty or, you know, like food or anything. It doesn't smell citrusy or anything. I was wondering if it would, but I guess it makes sense that it doesn't. So, and this is the filter here. I'm going to go ahead and just clean this out now, even though it might be a good idea to do it beforehand. And we'll clean that grate as well. But we'll put that up top to just spray off with the kitchen sink there. It does say to go ahead and leave it open for a while. And this is the Active Dishwasher Cleaner here again. Again, it says it's safe for septic tanks. That's the picture. It says before and after. Let's see here. After the cycle is done, leave the door open and let dry. And we did 2 tablets. You can do 1 tablet if you want. 2 is more for if you got a really dirty dishwasher. So again, I'm going to put a link to this in the description and pinned comment here. And it's an affiliate link as well. And go ahead and leave this open. And please check out this next video, guys. And this will help you out as well. Have a great day.